Hi there. So today's lesson will be on function operations. First thing, you'll just log into the web quest I created about function operations, and you'll have the kids do the same. The students should have gone through the welcome, intro, task, process, evaluation, and conclusion sections on their own. And along with that, they should have read through the brief introduction, along with going through the process page. And the process page gives them an overview on what they'll be learning. Also at the bottom, it gives them a link to the instructional video I made, which they will click on and it'll bring them up right to the instructional video. And it's also right above the instructional video is a file, which is the completed paper that they'll see me completing for them in the instructional video, so they can go ahead and look at that without having to watch the whole video over and over. Once they've refresh their memory on the process, they'll get in their groups, which they should know their group number by the tables that they sit at, and they'll go through the tasks, which they will reread it with their groups, and they will have to fill in the cheat sheet chart and go through with their group number in their group Google Doc, which they have had shared with them based on the group number. So for example, up here I have opened group number 1's Google Doc, and this is the cheat sheet chart that they will go through and they will fill out, replacing all these instructions with their specific problems. Then down here they each have a problem that they'll put the answers to on the Google Doc. Along with those questions, they'll write out their process of how they got each one, and they'll hand that in to me tomorrow. Also, individually, they will come down here, and after they click on whatever group they're in, there's also a reflection Google document, which everyone in the class will click on, and it'll bring them up here. They'll insert a 3 to 5 sentence reflection on the class period, what they learned, if they have questions, and if they can answer any questions that the students may have asked in the question section. As they're going through the tasks, you can instruct them to be able to go down to the evaluation section, and they can see the rubric and how they'll be graded on the 3 parts and their contribution during the class period. Also, there are some common questions that I've had asked in the past that I have answered here, so that hopefully they can just be resourceful and read those and answer questions on themselves. Lastly, they'll just be going through to the conclusion section, where they'll be able to see what they went over, what they should know, what they should have done and passed in, and what we'll be looking to in the future, which will be composite functions. Thank you.